Than. Than.
Used with more or less to compare numbers or amounts.
I spent more than I intended to. It cost less than I expected. Only. Only.
Not anyone or anything else.
Only Sue and Mark came to the meeting. This club is for members only. Only food bought at the cafe may be eaten here. After. After.
When you have gone past a particular place.
Turn left after the hotel. You want the turning on the right just after the police station.
Following in order.
H comes after G in the alphabet.
Later than someone or something else.
Hillary got here at midday and Nicholas arrived soon after. I can't go next week, how about the week after?
Spend. Spend.
Spending, spend. Spent, spent.
To use time doing something or being somewhere.
You need to spend at least 20 minutes on each exercise. I think we need to spend more time together. I spent an hour at the station waiting for the train.
To use money to buy or pay for something.
How much did you spend? She spends a lot of money on clothes. We spent a fortune when we were in New York. Special. Special. Specialist, speciality, specialize, special, specially.
Better or more important than usual things.
A special friend. I'm cooking something special for her birthday. Is there anything special that you'd like to do today?
War. War.
War. War.
Armed fighting between two or more countries or groups, or a particular example of this.
Nuclear war. Civil war. A war film or grave or hero.
Drawing. Drawing.
Drawing, draw.
The act of making a picture with a pencil or pen, or a picture made in this way.
Rosie loves drawing. She gave me a beautiful drawing of a horse.
True. True.
True. True.
Truth, true, truly.
Based on facts and not imagined.
The film is based on a true story. Is it true that Lucy and Mark are getting married? Her story is only partly true.
Policeman. Policeman.
Policeman. Policeman.
A man who is a member of the police.
His dad is a policeman.
Glove. Glove.
Glove. Glove.
A piece of clothing which covers your fingers and hand.
A pair of gloves.
A stop. A stop.
Stop. Stop.
If a bus, train, etc. stops at a particular place, it pauses at that place so that people can get on and off.
Does this train stop at London?
To stop a journey or an activity for a short time.
He stopped at a pub for lunch. Why don't you just stop somewhere and ask for directions? I stopped to pick up a letter that I'd dropped.
Mail. Mail.
Letters and parcels that are brought by post.
She spent the morning reading and answering her mail.
The system by which letters and parcels are taken and brought.
All of our customers will be contacted by mail. The book came in yesterday's mail.
Email.
You've got mail. Teach. Teach. Teacher, teaching, teach. Taught, taught.
To show or explain to someone how to do something.
My dad taught me to drive. Can you teach me how to knit?
Boot. Boot.
Boot. Boot.
A strong shoe that covers your foot and part of your leg.
A pair of boots. Walking boots. Present. Present. Presents, present, 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 presently.
Something that you give to someone, usually for a particular occasion.
A birthday or Christmas or wedding present. They gave me theater tickets as a present.